Welcome everyone. So today we are going to solve another numerical reasoning question. We have if 5 is giving you 120 or is 5 is to 120, then 6 will be is to what? So now this is quite interesting. See here what happens is see 120 is coming in 5 table, right? Because the last digit is 0, so it's completely divisible by 5. So here when I multiply 5 by 24, I get the answer as 120. Okay, so here also if I multiply the 6 by 24, I am getting the answer as 144, and 144 is my option. But if you look at this, D option is saying either A, both A and C. So in this case, let's look at another option as well. We might see that if the answer is coming out to be 210, then option D is your answer and not option A. But for that, we need to again go back to this particular logic and try to figure out what logic of 5 gets you 120. Now, see, if you remember, 5 cube gets you what? 125. And you subtract 5 from it, it gets you 120. So, similarly, let's try. 6 cube gets you 216. When you subtract 6 from it, you get the answer as 210. So I can say both A and C are my answers. So option D is my answer and not individual A or C. Now please understand, you might have a doubt that if they had just given you one answer, then yes, that would have been the correct option. But just here in this kind of a scenario, they have given you an option which has what both A and C. So you need to check whether A as well as C, both of them get you an answer. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.